Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. In the previous class I discussed about some synopsis and some problem with respect to Lewis acid base theory and pH calculation. In the last question is pure water. In that 4 options are given. In that with increase in temperature, pH and pOH generally decreases because already shown in the calculation, but last answer is pH and pOH both will be decreased. pH plus pOH is equal to 14 mean each one is what is 77 at 25 degrees Celsius. If more temperature is there, what is the, for example 10 power minus 12 is there, mean pH plus pOH is equal to 12. Each one what is that 6. Therefore both are decreases. That is the answer for last video question answer. Now some other question we will discuss. Some other question is, a beer has pH 4.3, pH is equal to 4.3, then what is the H3O plus ion concentration or H plus ion concentration? This is the question. When like this is given, then what is our answer? We have to calculate H3O plus ion concentration, mean we know formula pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. Then pH is 4.30. Here options they given, option I will write here. 3 into 10 power minus 4, B 2 into 10 power minus 4, and C 2 into 10 power minus 5, D 5 into 10 power minus 5. This is the options they given. Then negative signs and left side, that equal to log of H plus ion concentration. Both sides multiply with the anti-logarithm. Anti-log minus 4.30 is equal to log anti-log cancel H plus ion concentration. You can write H plus or H3O plus, meaning same. Now when negative term is given, how to solve this? Then H plus ion concentration is equal to, before this decimal point that should be raised to 10 power, minus is there minus, plus is there plus. But when minus is there, one value increase, that is minus 5. Keep it, only in minus sign is there. If plus sign is there, 4 mean 4 only, 5 mean 5 only. When minus is there, one value increase minus 5. Okay, and this after decimal point, whatever is given, that is subtracted from 1. Like this you have to subtract. Then how much you will get? 0.7. To this you have to see anti-logarithm. Then you don't know. Now I don't have the logarithm table, you don't have maybe logarithm. If you have, that is good only. But if you don't know anti-logarithm table also, you have to answer if you know the logarithm values. Now we know that log 5 is equal how much? 0.6991. Roughly I told you that log 7. Then now log 5 is equal to 0.7 roughly. Apply both sides anti-logarithm. Anti-log log cancel, then how what is that? 5. That equal to which one? Anti-log 0.7. So anti-log 0.7 value how much? 5. Therefore 0.7 we got now. Then we have to see anti-logarithm of 0.7, mean anti-logarithm of 0.7 how much? 5 is there. Without anti-logarithm table also we answer now. This is very easy if you know logarithm value 1 to 10. Okay, so option D is correct now. Next question is, next one is pH of 0.002 MHNO3. Now options are given. 11 plus log 2, option B 11 minus log 2, option C minus 3 plus log 2, option D none. Like this given. Now pH or pOH? Sorry, here pOH they given, not pH. pOH of. Now this HNO3 mean generally acid mean having pH, base mean having pOH, but also they are asking pOH. But keep in mind, H plus ion concentration is equal to normality of acids, that is strong acid. This is well known. But here molarity given, normality not given. Therefore, we have the formula relation between them. This is, but this is known as the N factor. You know, in redox reaction chapter, number of replaceable hydrogen here. Therefore, 1 into m. Therefore, this is formula for in this case. Now, H plus ion concentration is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 3. This is, then we know that H plus ion concentration into OH minus ion concentration is equal to Kw, that is equal to 10 power minus 14. Therefore, 10 power minus 14 OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 14 by 2 into 10 power minus 3. This is cancelled, 10 power minus 11 left. So directly this value you can put, because we know the formula POH is equal to negative logarithm of OH minus ion concentration. Negative logarithm of 1 by 2 into 10 power. Then some student what they will do, here 10 power minus 11 is there, then 1 by 2 means 0.5. If you calculate again, you are getting the complicated answer, because when you answer in examination, first read the question, immediately you have to see all the 4 options, because based on option you have to answer. Without seeing, you seen only question and you are solving, but option not there, that is very difficult. Therefore, so read the question. These are the tricks, time saving process in examination. Read the question carefully, immediately see the 4 options, and according to option you have to solve this question. And here 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2 only you have to keep. If you 1 by 2 is there, 0.5 if you keep, then again options will not there here. Therefore, see the question, immediately option. Therefore, this is 10 power minus 11. Now this log A into B form, this A, this is B form. Therefore, minus log 1 by 2 plus minus log 10 power minus 11. Therefore, this is minus converted to plus log 2, and this is minus into minus plus, then like this. So which form is there? This is A. Therefore, like this you have to answer. This is very important type of question. You have to solve this. Now, to a 10 ml of 10 ml, question is to a 10 ml of 10 power minus 3 N only given here, no problem, N H2SO4 solution. Water has been added to make, water is added to make the total volume of 1 liter. Its pH would be options are given here 3, 12, 9 and 5. This is B, this is C, this is D. Then keep in mind how to solve this. We want pH. pH is equal to what is that? Negative logarithm of OH minus ion concentration. If you know H plus ion concentration, then we will calculate the OH minus ion concentration. Therefore, first we have to calculate the H plus ion concentration. N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. This is a dilution law. You know that. Initial normality 10 power minus 3, volume 10 ml, and water has been added to make to total volume 1 liter. Therefore, here 1 liter means 1000 milliliter. Then this normality we have to calculate. Therefore, 1010 cancel. Then N2 is equal to, this is 10 power minus 5, that is equal to H plus ion concentration. Okay. Then we know H plus ion concentration means OH minus ion concentration how much? 14 minus 5, that is 10 power 9. Therefore, pOH is 9 directly. because apply negative logarithm, then we will get the answer direct 9. So like this fast calculation you have to learn. This is we will get by practice only. Okay. Next, here they given pH of 10 power minus 6 mHCl is. This is a question. Option A just less than 6, B exactly equal to 6, C just greater than 6, and D just less than 7, like this given. Then how to answer? Then student generally they will calculate like this, because we know the pH is equal to minus log of H plus ion concentration. Then pH is equal to negative logarithm of 10 power minus 2, mean you will get answer B. Then immediately you will put the B, but answer anything change is there or not, now we have to check. How to check this is, HCl is ionized into H plus plus OH minus. This is aqueous solution, mean water also is there in this, H plus and OH minus. Clear? So this concentration is 10 power minus 6, this concentration is 10 power minus 7. We know that pure water H plus OH minus is same, 10 power minus 7. Okay. Therefore, H plus ion concentration is 10 power minus 6 plus 10 power minus 7. Therefore, when addition is the power should be same. Therefore, 10 power minus 6 plus 0.1 into 10 power minus 6. Therefore, here this 1, this is 0.1, 1.1 into 10 power minus 6. If you put in this case, then what happened? Then pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus ion constant 1.1 into 10 power minus 6. Therefore, this is 6 mean plus 6 you will get. This is minus log of 1 is something value, this 0.0 something 1 consider. Then what happened? I don't know exact value of 1.1, just I am writing like this consider. So something we are subtracting from 6 means that is just less than 6. Therefore, answer is A. But keep in mind, roughly in normal cases 6 we can answer, but like these options are there, that time very carefully you have to take the precautions. This is just less than 6. Therefore, some students they may confuse, sir we don't know how to calculate, mean one rank shortcut I will give, then you have to follow this. Up to 6 H plus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 6, H plus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 7, H plus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 8, and H plus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 9, like this consider. Before this what is it? Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Minus 1 mean 1, minus 2 mean 2, minus 3 mean 3, pH. Otherwise I will write here. Then pH is equal to here 6, because now only we seen that just less than 6 this is. Therefore, that round of value you can do 6 only, but here 6.79, here 6.97, here 7. If you remember, whatever above values are there, 10 power minus 10 also 7, 10 power minus 11 also 7, 10 power minus 2, whatever values are there, they all are 7 only answer. Whatever this is there here, 10 power minus 5 mean 5, 10 power minus 4 mean 4 pH, like this. So if you remember this is shortcut, directly you can answer in examination. Otherwise like this you have to calculate, time waste process. Okay, so remember this is shortcut, very helpful for competitive exam. Now this is for acid, this is for acid. If base is there, that time what is there here? Here OH minus ion concentration, here not pH, what will be there? POH will be there. So carefully you have to think here. OH minus is equal to 10 power minus 6, then here POH is equal to 6. Then pH how to calculate? then you know this formula, pH plus POH is equal to 14, then pH is equal to 14 minus POH. Then here 14 minus 6, 8, like this you have to calculate. Then here OH minus N concentration equal 10 power minus N in POH is equal 6.79. Then here pH is equal 14 minus 6.79. Like this you have to calculate. That is all for strong base. That also when this N factor is, somewhere I given N factor, when N factor is equal to 1. Here also this is applicable for HCl acid, this is applicable for base if base is there, like this KOH, NaOH, like these cases it is applicable. So N factor is equal to 1 cases this rank shortcut applicable. So keep in mind. Okay. So now next, what is the pH of solution? Question is, what is the pH of solution? Question mark. In which 25 ml of NaOH is given here. How much volume? Volume is 25 ml and concentration is molarity given here 0.1 m NaOH given. Is added to which one? Acid, that is HCl. Your volume is 25, concentration is 0.08 m. Then what is the final solution? And the final solution is diluted to 500 ml. Both will be to this. We added water, and how much this total volume? 500 ml. Then pH how much? Option A 2.30, option B sorry, not 2, this is 3 only, this is 11, this is 12, this is 13. Like this question given, you have to calculate. When acid and base given, always try to write the equation, then only we'll know the exact. Okay. First you have to calculate the moles. How to calculate the moles or millimoles? N is equal to, M molarity is equal to N by V in liter. This is called moles. Otherwise molarity is equal to N by V in milliliter. Mean what do you call this is? Millimoles. This is very clear. Therefore now these two multiply, then you will get millimoles. Therefore NaOH plus HCl gives rise to what will form? NaCl plus H2O. Now its millimoles is 0.1 into 25, then it is 2.5 millimoles. This is how much? 25 into 8 into 10 power minus 2, 25 into 4, 100, another 25 into 400, 100 plus 100 how much? 200, then 200 into 10 power minus 2, this is cancelled, then how much? This is 2 millimoles. This is T equal to 0 time dash dash, then T equal to T equilibrium time. Then what happened here? This is limiting reagent. Okay, therefore it is completely consumed. 2 moles react, 0.5 moles left. Then here what is that? 2 moles form. This is also 2 moles form. Then which is left here? Salt is neutral, pH 7, there is no change. Only thing what is there here? This is. Therefore this is millimoles. Now normality or molarity. First molarity only calculate, later we can convert to normality. Molarity is equal to N by V. Therefore N is how much? 0.5 millimoles. Volume is how much? Don't put here 25 and 25 is 50, but total volume we have to put, that is 500. Okay, then point shifted, meaning this is 5 into 10 power minus 1, then this 2 zeros goes up, then minus 3, 5 cancel, mean this is 1. Okay, then we got normality molarity is same. Normality is equal to N into M, therefore this is 1 for any average. Normality molarity is same, therefore POH is equal to negative logarithm of OH minus N concentration. Therefore here negative logarithm of 1 into 3 means, therefore that we can write 10 power minus 3, then answer is 3. This is POH, this is POH. There pH how much? pH is equal to 14 minus POH, that is 14 minus 3, that is how much? 11. Option given for this reaction is 11, that is B answer. Okay, like this we have to calculate. If like this you are not understanding, mean one more way also I will give. When H plus ion concentration is equal to normality of acid, this strong acid is equal to, when acid base both combined, NaVa minus NbVb by Va plus Vb. This is nothing but total volume, this is total volume. Okay, when it is formula, acid concentration volume is greater than base concentration and volume. OH minus is there, for example, that equal to normality of base. Therefore this is NbVb minus NaVa by Va plus Vb. This is also total volume, this is, and in this case NbVb is greater than NaVa. In such cases we have to use this formulas. Now observe here, 25 ml base, 0.1 as a base, but here concentration how much? 0.0 m is there, so acid concentration is less, base concentration greater, therefore use this formula. When you know this one, directly you can apply this formula. POH is equal to negative logarithm of OH minus N constant. First calculate this and put in this formula. But in this case, actually this exact process, but anyway you will do which is limiting region, which is not limiting region, you will confuse, therefore follow this one, easiest way. So we have the short forms also, which is feel good for you, that you can choose. Next one, what is the hydronium ion concentration? Question is, what is the hydronium ion concentration of a 0.25 mHa solution, and in bracket they given Ka is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 8. Ka given mean compulsory, that is weak acid. Kb given mean that is compulsory weak acid. This is rank shortcut concept, then you can easily answer the question, because for strong acid also we have the Ka, for weak acid also we have the Ka, but in question they mention the Ka mean maximum cases 99% that is a weak acid, weak basis. Therefore this ultimately this is known as a weak acid. Okay, options are given here: 10 power minus 4, B option 10 power minus 5, C option 10 power minus 7, D option 10 power minus 10. Then how to solve this? Already I given the one formula, H plus ion concentration, nothing but now here H3O plus ion concentration, any ion concentration is C alpha, any ion concentration is C alpha. Another formula again, when K is given, then that is root Ka into C, this formula is there. Now here concentration given, Ka given, here alpha not given, therefore don't use this formula. Therefore Ka is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 8, and concentration is here 25 into 10 power minus 2. 0.25 you can write 25 into 10 power minus 2 roots. 25 into 400 and 10 power minus 8 into 10 power minus 2 is 10 power minus 10 roots. Then this value is how much? Root 100 is 10 and this is how much? 10 power minus 5. We got H plus ion concentration only. Therefore, which is correct answer? 10 power minus 5. Options are given here. Ten power minus 4. 10 power minus 4. Where the mistake? 1 minute I will check. What is the hydronium ion concentration? Point H plus ion concentration root Ka into C. Ka value 4 into 10 power minus 8. 4 into 10 power minus 8. Then 25 into 10 power minus 2. 25 into 4. Otherwise, roughly if you calculate, this is 2 and this is 5. 10 only will come. And this is 10 power. Cancel is correct answer. This is A option only will come because 1 0 this is cancel. Then what is it? 10 power minus 4. Option A is correct. So like this silly mistakes also we will do. So try to avoid the silly mistakes and answer carefully fast calculations. Next, one question is given here. What is the strongest acid? pK is given here. Strongest acid. pKa given here. pKa given in the question. A, formic acid, pK value is 3.77. B, benzoic acid, C6H5, COOH, value given 4.22. C option, acetic acid, then 4.7. D, propanoic acid, COOH, 4.88. If pK value given or not given also we can answer according to organic chemistry. Generally formic acid is more acidic than the remaining acids, and we know that pKa is equal to negative logarithm of Ka. pKa is equal to log of Ka. Okay, otherwise you can write 1 by Ka. So here which is given? pK. Ka is equal to what is that? Acid. Now Ha only consider H plus ion concentration, A minus concentration by Ha. Therefore numerator value increase mean Ka value increase means strong acid. Therefore if it is increase mean this will be what happened? Decreases. So lower pK value is stronger acid. So which is lower value is 3.7. Therefore this is. Otherwise without pK value also given, organic chemistry respect to also you can answer very easily. Next, a weak base. Here they given weak base concentration. Weak base, that is MOH given, MOH of 0.1 N concentration, shows pH value is 9. What is the percentage degree of ionization of acid? Wow. What is the percentage degree of ionization of acid or base given? Here acid word given, once you will check, base maybe forgot that. Option I will give. A is equal to 0.01 percentage, B is equal to 0.001 percentage, C is equal to 0.1 percentage, D is equal to 0.02 percentage. Then percentage we have to calculate. Here base given, concentration given and pH given. When base is there, immediately you have to calculate the pH because pH is equal to 10 power minus 9. Therefore, OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 5 because H plus and OH minus is equal to 10 power minus 14. So, OH minus ion, this is weak base MOH percentage. 1 minute. Acid given or base given. Once again I will check and I will read the question. See, a weak base MOH of 0.1 m N concentration shows a pH value of 9. What is the percentage degree of ionization of acid? Okay. Now any ion concentration is, we know that H plus or OH minus ion concentration is equal to C alpha. OH minus ion concentration how much? 10 power minus 5. C how much given? 10 power minus 1 into alpha. This is cancelled, then alpha is equal to 10 power minus 4. Therefore, here alpha is equal to 10 power minus 4. Percentage mean multiply with the 100, then this is cancelled, therefore 10 power minus 2. Okay, therefore which is the answer? Option A is the correct answer. So option A. Then in question what again, what is the percentage degree of ionization of acid is given. So here it is base respective, but acid given mean this will become, then this will become in H plus ion concentration is equal to C alpha. C mean this is 10 power minus 1, this is 10 power minus 9, and this is alpha, this is cancelled, then 10 power minus 8 when equal to alpha is equal to 10 power, when percentage in multiply with the 100, then that is 10 power minus 6. Like this option not there, therefore that is not acid, that is a base, therefore option A is correct. Okay, next. If degree of ionization, yes, space not there, I have to remove this. Question. What is the question given here? 0.01 mHa is 2% ionized. 2% ionized. OH minus ion concentration of solution is OH minus ion concentration. Now consider OH minus ion concentration, how to calculate? Here acid given, but they are asking OH minus. If you know H plus ion concentration, then only will calculate the OH minus ion concentration. Therefore, H plus ion concentration is equal to, what is the formula? C alpha, because alpha is given here. Then C 10 power minus 2 given, and this is 2% mean 2 by 100 this is. Then what is the 2 into 10 power minus 2, therefore 2 into 10 power minus 2, therefore 2 into 10 power minus 4, this H plus ion concentration. Then OH minus ion concentration is equal to, what is it, 10 power minus 14 by H plus ion concentration, that equal to 10 power minus 14 by 2 into 2 into 10 power minus 4, this is cancelled, then 1 by 2, then 0.5, then 0.5 into 10 power minus 10, then 5 into 10 power minus 11. Options are given. Options here given: 2 into 10 power minus 4, B 10 power minus 8, C 5 into 10 power minus 11, D 5 into 10 power minus 12. Option C is correct. Okay. Then any other questions meaning here? Which of the hydrated species can exist? Which of the hydrated species exist? This is a question. Option here 1 is given, H5O2 plus, second one is H3O plus, and third one is H3O2 minus, and fourth one is H7O3 plus. Options are given here only 2. Option B 1 and 2. Option C 1, 2 and 4. Option D 1, 2, 3 and 4. Like this given one question. Then you know that H plus ion plus H2O combine to form which one? H3O plus. Therefore, this is simply given as H plus and H2O taken N, like this. Similarly, OH minus N plus H2O, this will be form H and H, this is H3O2 minus, therefore OH minus and H2O taken N, like this. Therefore, this is exists or not, you can check here. If here N equal to 1, then this is exists, then second one okay. If N equal to 2, then I will write 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, and 2 oxygen, this is also exist. Then H3O minus, if here 1, then how many hydrogen? 2 plus 1, 3 hydrogen, oxygens are 2, minus, this also exists. Then here, in this case, positive cases, then here may be 3 into 2, 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7, and this is 3, H3O plus. Then all are exist, then this is D option. This is given in your textbook in the green box in Arrhenius theory. Okay. Like this. Now, one question here. What is that? What is the pH of 0.05 m strontium hydroxide or barium hydroxide? Anyone consider? Now this is a base, but they are asking pH. Then first you have to calculate pOH, then go for pH. But we know that OH minus N concentration is equal to what is the normality of strong base? Strong base, this is already I told you that rank shortcut only 8 or 7 bases are there and 6 acids are there. They are only the strong, remaining are weak. Therefore, this is how to consider, this is N into M. N value how much here? 2 and 2. Then molarity how much? 0.05. Then this can be represented as 0.1. If you don't know, then write here 5 into 10 power minus 2 into 2. Then 5 into 2, 10, 1 0 cancel, 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 1 means this is, otherwise write 10 power minus 1. This is OH minus ion concentration. OH minus ion concentration, this is mean H plus ion concentration 10 power minus 13, because this, don't forget here, H plus into OH minus is equal to 10 power minus 14. Therefore, this 10 power minus 1, this cancel, 10 power minus 13. Therefore, pH how much? That is 13. Okay. So generally student, what they will do, directly they will put this value here, then wrong option what will may be present, then 5 into 10 power minus 2, that is OH minus ion concentration. Then immediately you will try for H plus ion concentration, that is 10 power minus 14 by 5 into 10 power minus 2. This is cancelled, 10 power minus 12, and this 1 by 5 mean what is that? 0.2 into 10 power minus 12, 2 into 10 power minus 13, then 13 minus 0.2 mean 0.3 value in log 2 value 0.3, then it is 12.7. Like this option also they may give. Like this option also they may give. This is pH, what I am writing here, pH, because you know that this is H plus ion concentration. Apply negative logarithm, then it is pH, this is negative logarithm of 2 into 10 power minus 13, then you will get 12.7 also, but that is wrong answer. So like this calculation very very important. And now you know that how to calculate the pH and weak acid pH also, and when acid and base both combined also you know that. And next one is what do you call, salt hydrolysis is there. In salt hydrolysis you know that normal salts, acidic salt and addition salts. Normal salt meaning what is that? Strong acid, strong base combined to form. So these are normal salts. In normal salts, some example NaCl, KCl, Na2SO4, like this. These are normal salt. Then another one is acidic salt. Acidic salt meaning what is that? Like this. For example, in the previous Bronsted-Lowry theory I given, then H3PO4 is there. This is combined with NaOH. Then it form how many salts? NaH2PO4. Another one is Na2HPO4 and Na3PO4. These two are acidic salt. These are acidic salt. But this is which one? Normal salt again. This is normal salt. So if H plus ion produce in the second ionization, they are called acidic salt. Basic salts also will be there. They will produce the OH minus ion. You have to understand the concept. Another one is addition salt. These addition salts are two types. One is double salt. Double salt example is more salt. This is you are using in the laboratory also. Its formula FeSO4 dot NH4 twice SO4 dot 7H2O, like this will be there. Then this is one salt, this is one salt. By adding we are getting one salt. This is called addition salt, and this stable in solid state. When you dissolve, it gives all the ion present in it. So what are the ion it gives? Fe plus 2 ion it gives. Ammonium ion it gives. How many ammonium ions are there? Two ammonium ion, SO4 and SO4. Total 2 SO4 ions are there. So whatever the ions are present, all ion give the positive test in the salt analysis. Another salt is there, that is called complex salt. Complex salt. Complex salt is one of the addition salt. In this addition salt, example is K4FeCN6 that you learn in the coordination chemistry, complex compound. This is stable in solid state. When you dissolve in water, it produces the 4K plus and FeCN6 power minus 4. It do not give the all ion present in it. If you do salt analysis, you will get K plus ion test and there is no Fe ion test, there is no Cn minus ion test. It is total another ion test you will get. So double salt and complex salts are addition salts. Now based on this salt we have the salt hydrolysis. Therefore keep in mind salt hydrolysis formulas are very important. Salt hydrolysis meaning what is that? In salt cation is there, anion is there. This cation or anion both react. Any one may react or both may react. Therefore keep in mind cation or anion or both interact with the water to produce acidic or basic or neutral salt, neutral solution, that is called salt hydrolysis. Then how to know this salt hydrolysis? Mean here also I have the shortcuts. You have to remember strong acid, strong base salt do not hydrolyze. Strong acid, strong base salt do not hydrolyze. Generally cation hydrolyze gives the acidic salt and anion hydrolyze gives the basic solution, not salt. Cation on hydrolysis gives the acidic solution, anion and on hydrolysis it gives a basic solution. For this also if you forget, because sometimes I may also do the mistake, therefore I remember one shortcut. What are the acidic solution or basic solution? CAAB, CAB. This is a rank shortcut, remember, then you can easily answer. Cation hydrolysis gives acidic solution, anion hydrolysis gives a basic solution. So it is easy to remember. If any salt is given, then what is the pH? Less than 7 or greater than 7 or equal to 7. So one more shortcut, already I told you that how many strong acids, how many strong bases are there that do not hydrolyze. Strong acid ion, strong base ion do not hydrolyze. For example, this is Na. I don't want to explain all the things. Now short form I want to explain. What is the pH of this? When strong acid, strong base salt, because this salt is formed by NaOH plus HCl combined to form NaCl plus H2. This salt is formed by strong acid and strong base. Therefore this is called salt of strong acid, strong base. This do not hydrolyze, therefore pH is neutral, that is 7. This is very clear. Now NH4Cl, this is what is the ammonium ion come from ammonium hydroxide, Cl ion come from HCl. Therefore this is a salt of weak acid, weak base, strong acid salt. This is weak base, strong acid salt. Then here which is dominating here? Cl minus ion dominating. So they may give, this is a formula they will give in this salt which will undergo salt hydrolysis, NH4 plus or Cl minus. Already I told you the rank shortcut, remember here, very important. Strong acid ion, strong base ion do not hydrolyze. Do not hydrolyze. Then this ion from strong acid do not hydrolyze. Then which is hydrolyzed? Weak acid or weak base ion only hydrolyze. Then this which form? This cation means this is which one? Anion. Cation hydrolysis gives which one? Acidic solution. Acidic solution means what is that? pH less than 7. Otherwise if you don't know that much also, in this one which is dominating, strong or weak? Strong only dominating, therefore strong acid character is there, therefore acid is there, means pH is less than 7. Similarly CH3COO Na is there. This is come from acetic acid, weak acid. This is come from strong base, like this. Therefore in this one which is dominating, strong character dominating, strong mean which one? Strong base, base having what is the pH greater than 7, therefore pH is greater than 7. And sometimes they may give the salt, and the salt pH increasing or decreasing order they may ask. So for example NH4NO2 and KCl and NaCN and now NH4Cl, like this given, consider. Then these are the salt, write their increasing order of pH. Increasing order of pH. Highest pH mean base, lowest pH mean acid. So in this one, which is dominating here, this is come from weak acid, weak base. This is come from not HNO3, this is HNO2. HNO3 is strong acid, but HNO2 is weak acid. Then this weak acid. So this salt of weak acid, weak base, both are strong base and weak acid. Therefore, do not hydrolyze mean pH is equal to 7. In this one, this is come from NaOH, this is come from HCN. You know that only 6 are the strong acid, the other are weak. Then this weak only, this is strong mean pH will be greater than 7. This is which one? pH, this is weak base, this is strong acid character dominating, therefore pH is less than 7. So we have pH is greater than 7 mean NaCN is first, right side. Next, pH is equal to neutral form, that is which one? KCl. Then this will be least NH4Cl. Then this is depend on their pKa and pKb value. So its formula is there for this one, formula is there, pH is equal to 7 plus half of pKa plus pKb. It may be neutral or it may be basic or acidic also. Therefore, if both are equal, 1 plus, sorry here minus may be there, minus. If both are same, therefore it is 0, 0 into something 0, therefore 7 only. Therefore, pH is equal to 7 when pKa is equal to pKb. If pH is greater than 7, that time which is greater, this will be greater, this will be low, then positive value, then 7 plus something, we will get the pH greater than 7, then pKa is greater than pKb, pH less than 7, pKa is less than pKb. Okay, in these cases. So here not mentioned mean we will write in this character only, that is. So like this we have to represent in the competitive exam purpose. These are very important question. These are look like theory part, but competitive exam purpose very important. So dominating character respective pH will be there, and which is not dominating, that is not hydrolyzed. So this is rank shortcut, remember, which is hydrolyzed, which is not hydrolyzed, dominating character respect to also we have to answer the pH. So this is salt hydrolysis. Now this all salt hydrolysis formula I will write. For this do not hydrolyze, no formula. This is weak base strong acid salt hydrolysis. pH will be, what is it, less than 7 mean pH is equal to 7 minus, because here less than 7, when less than 7, when something is subtracted from 7, therefore half of, this is weak base is there, weak base, therefore here pKb will be there, and plus log C. This is a salt hydrolysis formula for salt hydrolysis of weak base strong acid salt. This is a formula. Next one is weak acid strong base salt. For this formula is, this is greater than 7. When greater than 7 is there, pH is equal to 7 plus, because something should be added. When something should be added, mean here plus required. Therefore half of pKa plus log C. This is a formula. And weak acid weak base formula already I given. These three formulas we have to remember. Total how many salts are? 4. What are the salts? Salt of strong acid strong base, salt of weak base, which one? Weak base strong acid. Another salt of weak acid strong base, weak acid weak base. Weak acid weak base formula here is it, and remaining already I given. So that formulas directly they will ask in examination. You have to remember these formulas. If not remembering, mean at least minimum concept based on their dominating character. Here greater than 7 is there, means 7 plus should be there. Here less than 7 means 7 minus should be there. And here this plus only, but here minus will be there. That you have to remember. This is about the salt hydrolysis. And sometime based on this salt hydrolysis they are asking some formulas. Now this is a formula, which one? NH4Cl. This is a salt hydrolysis. In this case also we have KH. KH is equal to Kw by K. Here base is there, therefore Kb will be there, and this is C will be there. Okay, this is a formula. These formulas directly they will ask in the examination. You have to remember this. 1 minute. Kw by Kb only. Kw by Kb. Another one, this one, CH3COO Na. In this case, KH is equal to Kw by Ka. Another one is CH3COO Na, not Na, NH4 plus. This weak acid, weak base. In this case, KH is equal to Kw by Ka into Kb. These are easy to remember, very easy. Always numerator Kw in all cases. In this, which is weak is there, that constant. Here which is weak is there, that constant. Here both are weak is there, therefore both are in denominator. Another one is hydrolysis is there. Hydrolysis meaning what is that? H. This is nothing but alpha. Alpha value in before are already given. What is that? K by C, like this. Okay. So here alpha nothing but here H. Similarly, this is KH by C. Okay, KH by C. Like this also directly they will ask in the examination. And we know that H plus ion concentration is equal to C alpha. OH minus ion concentration is equal to C alpha. But here CH, that is CH. Like this also. These are direct formula will ask in the competitive exam. All formulas we have to remember. These one is formula based questions, one is they will give the pKa and concentration, substitute and get the answer less than or greater than. So this is about the salt hydrolysis. And after this buffer solution is there. Then how many minutes? 3. Okay, leave it.